In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font in a Google Slides theme with a simple step-by-step process. If you've ever been frustrated by having to adjust the font on every single slide, this tutorial will save you a ton of time. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update your entire presentation's look in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. Choose the project you want to work on and make sure it's the one where you'd like to update the fonts. Next, go to the top menu bar and click Slide, then select Edit Theme. This opens what's called the Theme Editor, also known as the Slide Master view. On the left-hand side, you'll see the master slide at the very top with all the individual layout slides listed underneath. Now here's the key step. Click on the master slide, that top slide in the list. This is the template that controls the overall design for all other slides. Once you've selected it, click inside a text box, whether it's the title area or the body text. Then use the font drop-down menu in the toolbar to choose your new font. You can repeat this for different text areas if you want titles and body text to have different styles. After you've made your changes, click the X in the top right corner of the theme editor to close it. This brings you back to your main presentation. Now, every new slide you add will automatically use the updated font. To double check, scroll through your slides and make sure everything looks consistent. If needed, you can always return to the theme editor and fine-tune your choices. And that's it. You've just changed the font across your entire Google Slides theme. No more manually editing each slide. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who could use the shortcut. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.